And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions, and welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
On Tuesday, Ms. Bassich led our second graders in an amazing performance. Let's listen in.
Sing mahalo, mahalo, mahalo for everything. Mahalo, that means thank you. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. Yes.
Wednesday was College Day. Let's hear which universities are the Sea Lion favorites.
USC.
Notre Dame.
Go Hoosiers.
Go Penn State. Go Bruin.
Cal Berkeley.
Go Falcons. Long Beach State.
Notre Dame.
Go UCLA. USC. Arizona. Kansas.
USC.
Long Beach State.
Go Vanderbilt. Happy Veterans Week. Thank you for your service.
The Magaw Sea Lions were so proud to host a Veterans Day celebration where we got to honor our service members from around our community. We also wanted to pay tribute to those veterans who couldn't be with us today. Thank you so much for your service.
This is Sea Lion leader London Houghton with this week's announcements. Monday is Kindness Day. This is your chance to make a meaningful impact to your school community by practicing patience, volunteering your time, or checking in on someone you care about. The chorus sounded great on Veterans Day. Sea Lion Chorus practices again on Monday at 2:30. There is a fire drill on Thursday. Remember to follow the instructions of your teacher and keep a quiet voice. Pageant rehearsals is on Thursday after school. Keep practicing those routines. Magaw Idol permission slips are due on Friday. Talk to your parent and get your performance ready. Turn your forms into the main office. The Seal Beach Turkey Trot is on Saturday, November 18th. Scan the QR code on the banners at school to support our Sea Lions. Thanksgiving break begins on Monday, November 20th. We have an entire week off of school. Woohoo! We'll see you on campus Monday, November 27th. Have a great week!
The Magaw Sea Lions have an attitude of gratitude during the month of November. Here are some words of gratitude from our Sea Lion leaders.
I'm grateful for my mom, my dad, my 3 brothers, my sister, and my dog.
Why?
Because they are always there for me.
What are you grateful for?
For my dad because he makes me the best bacon.
I want to thank my teacher, Miss Saigan, because she's always so calm.
What are you grateful for?
Miss Duncan.
Why?
Because she's funny.
Who are you grateful for?
Miss Weber, she was also awesome and funny.
All right.
I'm grateful for the PTA membership because they help us raise money for all our field trips. And I'm grateful for the military for helping our country. Ramadan.
I got a robot!
Kindergarten.
Congratulations to kindergartner Cole Gill. Miss Martin says that Cole was following the rules during handball and showing sportsmanship. Way to go, Cole.
1st grade.
Miss Olveda wants to shout out first grader Eden Pitts. She says thank you, Eden, for helping on the green team.
2nd grade.
Miss Olveda wants to shout out second grader Callie Weathers. She said Callie was a great helper on green team all week long. Thanks so much, Callie, and all green team members.
3rd grade.
Miss Olveda wants to shout out Wyatt Turbush from Miss Pinkston's class. She says to him, thank you for helping on the green team.
4th grade.
Miss Olveda wants to shout out 4th grader Emmett Dodrill. She says thank you, Emmett, for helping on the green team.
5th grade.
Miss Stevens wants to shout out super scholar Ben Magadia. She says thank you for being an excellent role model in class. Keep up the great work.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.
And there you have it, Magaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!